Heavy-duty garment racks are essential for anyone who needs to store and organize a large number of clothing items. There are many products available to choose heavy-duty garment racks, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best heavy-duty garment racks from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Housekeeper Clothing Garment Rack. The Housekeeper Clothing Garment Rack is a high-quality, heavy-duty rack that can hold up to 450 pounds of weight. Made of durable metal with a chrome coating, it is resistant to water, rust, and corrosion. The E-shaped structure provides stronger support, eliminating wobbly and bending racks. With 4 heavy-duty casters, it is easy to move around, and the 2 lockable casters keep it stable when needed. The rack is adjustable in length and height, making it a great fit for any space. It also comes with freestanding shoe racks and an umbrella rack, making it versatile for use in a bedroom, dormitory, laundry room, boutique, showroom, retail store, or flea market. Number 2. Simple Trending Heavy-Duty Clothes Rack. The Simple Trending Garment Rack offers a spacious and expandable design, measuring 61.5 inches long and 67.7 inches high. You can easily adjust the top bar to fit your needs, making it perfect for organizing various clothing items. With a remarkable weight capacity of 500 pounds, this rack is made from durable metal tubes, ensuring it can support all your garments without worry. The heavy-duty wheels provide convenience, allowing you to move the rack effortlessly, while 2 of the wheels lock for stability. This versatile rack is ideal for home use or commercial settings, giving you extra storage and display options. Number 3. Greenstell Clothes Rack. The GRENSDLL Clothes Rack is a versatile and durable garment rack perfect for indoor and commercial use. Its Z-based design saves floor space and allows multiple hangers to be placed in close alignment. The 360-degree industrial-grade wheels make it easy to move, while the brakes keep it securely in place. The retro industrial style gives it a chic charm. The rack is stable and easy to install with its screw connection at the bottom and double fixation design. The product dimensions are 59 in L, *24 in W, *63 in H, with a load bearing of 220 lb/100 kg. Number 4. Housekeeper Clothes Rack Heavy-Duty Clothing Rack. Housekeeper Double Clothing Garment Rack with Shelves is a heavy-duty and durable garment rack with a maximum weight capacity of 600 pounds. It has a special shape structure for stronger support, ensuring no wobbly or bending racks. The mobile clothes rack has 4 heavy-duty omnidirectional casters for flexible movement and 2 lockable casters to keep it in place when stability is needed. It is also integrated with freestanding shoe racks and umbrella racks and can be used for organizing clothes in a bedroom or student dormitory, drying clothes in a laundry room, or as a portable closet shelf in a boutique, showroom, retail store, or flea market. Number 5. Heavy-Duty Clothes Rack. The Hi-C Clothes Rack is designed to hold heavy garments with a robust capacity of 450 pounds, ensuring you can hang your heaviest items without worry. Its adjustable horizontal and vertical rods allow you to customize the space to fit your needs perfectly. The rack features durable, lockable wheels that make it easy to move while keeping it stable when in place. Assembly is a breeze, taking less than 5 minutes thanks to the snap-on design and included tools. This makes it a practical choice for anyone looking to enhance their storage solutions.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.